Hey everyone, welcome back to Staff Development Nurse. Now, if you're in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can easily manage the endless amount of daily tasks that come across your desk every single day. And really, it doesn't matter if you're a nurse manager in skilled nursing and long-term care, or really any other industry of nursing. I think we all feel that there's just not enough time in a day to get the tasks done that come to us. One key factor is going to be being organized. Being organized and being able to prioritize what you need to do is going to make you more successful in your role. So I'm not going to waste your time talking about little tips or tricks. I actually want to show you a tool that I use that's been very beneficial with helping me sort through tasks, prioritize tasks, complete tasks, and really just getting me really organized where I can be much more effective and efficient. So hopefully this tool can work for you as well. So I'll see you on the other side. Hey everyone, so this is my very easy nurse checklist, shift happens, checklist for you to stay on task with things that come across your desk. So a few things I want to point out to you. If you notice at the bottom, I have numbers 1, you see it goes through 20, but if you hit the arrow and I keep hitting it, you can see it actually goes to 31. So these tabs at the bottom of the sheet represent days of the month, okay? First thing I would do before I even jump into how to use this form is I would save this form as like a template, okay? And then I would save as for the month and a year that I want to track my tasks for. So I would go to my file, save as, and when I go to save as, let's say we're in the month of February. I'm gonna save this as February 2025. That way I have two documents. I have my master document and I have all the changes I'm going to make to February 2025, and I'm going to be able to save it. So one big thing about this is, especially with it being electronic, is you don't have to worry about paper, sticky notes, any of those things to try to find. It's all stored right on your computer in the month and in the year. And you literally can have a record of the tasks that you did and the days you did them for the entire month. Okay. So let's talk a little bit about our sheet. You can see here we have tasks pending, total tasks that we need to complete, and total completed. Okay. And this particular box up here is empty now, but it will show you the percentage of tasks that you complete during your day, okay? So don't mind me. I'm literally just typing anything in here just so you can see, okay? And as you can see, as I typed, these boxes automatically updated, right? So you can see I have 4 tasks I need to do. Both of my boxes updated. None have been completed. And so I have 0% of my tasks for the day done. There's also a priority box. And this is very convenient. It has a drop down where you can pick, is my task high priority, medium priority, or low priority, right? High, here's a medium priority, here's a low priority, okay? There's even a box for you to type in any comments related to the task, okay? Once you finish your task and you complete it, you can actually hit the checkbox under status and it will turn it green and it will put a line through whatever you have typed there, all right, to cross it out. Now you can see how my top updated. I have 4 total tasks, 3 pending, 1 has been completed, and 25% of my tasks for the day have been done. So you can see how easy it is to use this checklist. Now, what I really like about this is if there are things that I cannot get done today, I can very easily carry those tasks over to different days within my month. And this guarantees that nothing gets missed. So I can easily right click, copy, And if this particular task was something that I wanted to do tomorrow, I could click the box I want to put it in, right click, and hit paste. And voila, it's been carried over. I can put my priority I need to put on there. Okay. And then I'm just going to delete that out. And now I'm already planning for tomorrow. So, what I love is with this method, I don't have to have a binder with 31 days worth of checklists. It's on a computer. So anything that comes across my desk today, even if it's something that I don't need to look at until the 10th of the month, I can put it on the 10th day of the month. I can add my task in here and it's already there. I don't have to worry about missing anything at all. And if you have experienced this, a lot of us have, nurse managers, if you have experienced anxiety, like when you go home and you're thinking, did I do everything I needed to do for the day? Or did I miss something? Or what do I need to do tomorrow? This is going to be a sheet that can very easily take a lot of that away because you're going to have a record of what you have done. And so often, what we do as nurses is we try to mentally remember and track our tasks instead of having an organized written way of tracking it. So if you like this particular spreadsheet, you think that this is something that would benefit you, and I just want to say that this is an Excel spreadsheet. If you look down in the link or the comments below, you can get a copy of the same spreadsheet that I utilize to help keep me on track throughout the day. Hopefully, this can be very beneficial for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.